Yay! It's finally here. We did a microwave test. We'll be doing that today. We're gonna try this one first. Oops. And we can try this one right here. This one right here picks up a lot of just in my house alone. Because we got, Wi-Fi all over the place. That's what your Wi-Fi does to you. Okay, we're gonna do 2 experiments. We're gonna try this real fast. We're gonna unpack it. I got 2 of these. If this one don't work, we're gonna try again. First things first, I want to show you something. See this? Take that out. Tell me what symbol that looks like. Radiation symbol. Why do they make the gear shape of radiation symbol? Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put that up. We're gonna do this real fast. Okay, we'll let it level out. My microwave, right there, it leaks quite a bit. Yeah, it leaks quite a bit right here. But down here, it leaks. That sucker is throwing out quite a bit of radiation. Magnetic. See when it goes off. We got the 2 greens safe, and we got some other experiments. Continue watching these videos, and you will learn a lot. That's the microwave. Wi-Fi. Then you got your microwave. That's all. That's just my background in my house. This is my microwave. That's way up there. That's the numbers for your microwave. The highest is 61. Let's see how much, see if it drops when it goes off. See that? That bottom number dropped to 0. I know it won't be much, but we're gonna go ahead and run this one. It's a whole different thing. But this is another experiment. We use the Geiger counter on a microwave, see what happens. I don't see any major difference. This picks up a whole different, type of radiation. Okay, we got another magnetic field detector we'll be using on the microwave. That'll be the next test. This one, yeah, it's nothing special. Okay, here we go. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and smash that bell so you get the newest notification, newest videos, and share it out with your friends and family. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys.